Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for your roofing business. First, let's get your account set up correctly. You'll want to customize your chart of accounts to accurately track all your roofing-specific income and expenses. This ensures you have a clear financial picture. Also, efficiently managing customer and vendor information from the start will save you a lot of time later on. It's all about building a solid foundation. Next, let's dive into managing your projects and finances. QuickBooks helps you track job costs for every roofing project, ensuring you know your true profitability. You can easily create professional estimates and invoices, making billing a breeze for your clients. Don't forget to regularly reconcile your bank accounts and manage payroll efficiently. Keeping these financial tasks organized is key to a smooth operation. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to read up on business strategies or even just relax with a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's explore some advanced features and reporting. For larger jobs, progress invoicing allows you to bill clients as work progresses, improving cash flow. QuickBooks offers detailed financial reports to help you monitor profitability and make informed business decisions. You can also integrate various third-party applications to extend QuickBooks functionality, tailoring it even more to your roofing business needs. It's about working smarter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.